Hi there, I'm Charlie from Zoomifier. I'm here to help you wow your audience by adding cool background video clips to your presentations. And guess what? They're absolutely free. You should consider using background videos to your presentations, especially your sales presentations, because motion captures and retains audience attention. Videos set a tone for your story. They help you deliver emotions of pain, joy, caution, achievements, and more. Videos explain better than words. And they're more fun compared to the boring headlines and bullets we normally use. Here are the top 5 websites offering free stock videos. Vidveo. Vidveo offers free HD stock footage and motion graphics. Vidleary. Vidleary offers amazing free animated background videos. Videezy. Videezy offers a wide variety of free HD stock footage videos with a vast collection of aerial drone footage, which is quite impressive. Pixabay. Pixabay offers over 1 million high-quality videos shared by their community of generous creators. Pexels. Pexels has an extensive library of free stock videos in a variety of categories. You can read about the remaining 12 websites on our blog page mentioned in the description. Have a great day.